we have a new Black Bar Babes device and dispo pads. Let's unbox it. First, we unbox the device. This is the device. USB Type-C. Next, disposable pads. Let's remove the seal. So, I chose flavor mixed gem, mixed berries with a 20K pops. So, let's put it. And let's pop it. So, let's pop it and let's taste it. Perfect. It's very cool menthol. Mixed gem, mixed berries. It's like a fruit, like strawberry, I think, taste. So it's very cool here. 100% guaranteed. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.